Now let us start gradient, curl and divergence. First gradient. Okay. Gradient. Gradient can be written as, gradient is, remember, vector. Gradient is vector. Okay. That is del phi can be written as dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. If you are not understanding these terminologies, no need to worry, while solving problems it will be understood to you. Okay, so this will be vector and they will ask you to substitute at some point. They will give some point x comma y comma z, and whatever the values are there in this x y, in this vector x y z values, you just substitute these obtained values in the given gradient. Okay, then obtain gradient. Then if they ask magnitude, what you will do? You will do del of this entire thing. Del is equal to root over a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, that thing you can do. Then one more is divergence. Divergence, and along with that curl. Remember curl. Curl is vector. Curl is nothing but a cross b. As we have done already, a cross b. How will you do a cross b? A cross b is equal to I, j, k. Coefficients of a1, b1, a, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now you will find and you will get vector. That's what we call it as curl or verticity vector. We may also call it as verticity vector or curl. Okay, they may call with many names. Then divergence of vector. Divergence. Divergence is very easy. That is del dot f. Del dot f. That means dou given function by with respect to x plus dou given function with respect to y plus dou given function with respect to z. This is scalar actually. If they have given x, y, z points, substitute, you will get value. Okay, that is gradient. Then what do you have got? Directional derivative. Very, very important. Directional derivative. Directional derivative. Okay, what is directional derivative is, suppose find del phi, that is gradient, at some point x comma y comma z, and do the dot product with a by mod a. There will be some vector given in the direction. Do the dot product of both vectors by mod a. This is also scalar. Scalar. Okay. If you are confusing what are scalars and what are vectors, I will tell you one point. You just remember that point. It will be easy for you. Remember SD card in your phone. Okay, SD card. That means divergence is starting from D. That means divergence is scalar. Divergence is scalar. Directional derivative is also starting from D. That means directional derivative is also scalar. And dot product is starting from D. That means this is also scalar. And remaining all things, they are vectors. Curl is vector. Gradient is vector. Cross product is also vector. Okay. Hope you got the thing now. Let us solve few problems. Problem number 14. We have done 13 already. Problem number 14. The directional derivative. They are asking the directional derivative of this function. Directional derivative of this function. At point. They have given at point. As I was saying earlier, first you need to find gradient at some point. They have given the point. Then in the direction of vector A, they have given some vector A is equal to I minus 2k. So suppose they have given function f of x, y, z is equal to 2x square plus 3y square plus z square. Now first find gradient. How will you find gradient? Del phi is equal to function do differentiation with respect to x, that is 4x into I. Then do function differentiation with respect to y, 6y into j. Then do function differentiation with respect to z, 2z into k. That's what is gradient, right? Function with respect to x into I, function with respect to y into j, function with respect to z into k. That's what we were doing. So 4xi plus 6yj plus 2zk. Now del phi at some point. What is the point they have given? 2 comma 1 comma 3. 2 comma 1 comma 3. Substitute 2 comma 1 comma 3. In place of x 2, place of y 1, in place of z 3. So 4 2s are 8i plus 6j plus 2k. 8i plus 6j plus 6k. Okay. After that, directional derivative formula is directional derivative is equal to del phi at some point into a by mod a dot, this is dot, so this value is 8i plus 6j plus 6k dot a is what is in the direction of vector, this is a vector, I minus 2k divided by mod a is root over 1a square plus 2a square minus 2 whole square plus square dot product 8 ones are 8 plus 6 2s are 12, that is minus 12 plus 6 into, sorry, j is not there, 0 plus 6 2s are 12 minus 12 divided by root over 5. Root over 5. Total value what I will get? I am getting it as minus 1.7899. You just check. I am getting option C as correct answer. Okay. Hope you are getting this. If you are not understanding, no need to worry. We will solve few more problems on this so that you will be getting idea. So problem number 15. Problem number 15. What do we have? A velocity vector. They have given velocity vector as 5xy I cap I bar 2y square j bar plus 3yz k bar. Then divergence they are asking. That means function, first find function. Function divergence is equal to function with respect to x into I. Function with respect to x, only I you have to do before I. Here you don't have any I j k, that's why you have done entire function with respect to x and I kept I. If there is I already, then you have to do only this function with respect to I, x with respect to y with respect to z with respect to x 5y plus no I. Why? Because this is divergence. Divergence is scalar. Function with respect to x plus function with respect to y, function with respect to z. So what we will get now? Function 4y plus this will be z with respect to z is 3y. So total divergence is equal to how much? 5, 9, 10, 11, 12y. At point they are saying 1, 1, 1. Substitute 1, 1, 1 x, y, z. Y value is 1. So divergence is equal to 12. Option B is correct. Hope you are getting. Let's see problem number 16. Let's see problem number 16. What they are saying? For a scalar function, they have set some function xyz function as x square plus 3y square plus 2z square. The directional derivative at some point in a direction of, this is unit vector. First find gradient with respect to x into I, 2x into I, with respect to y into j, 6y into j, with respect to z into k. Okay, then del phi at some point. What is the point? Given point 1, 2, minus 1, x, y, z. Substitute x value as 1, we will get 2y. Substitute y value as 2, we will get 2lj. And substitute z value as minus 1, we will get 2y plus 2lj minus 4k. And they are asking in the direction of this vector. So directional derivative is equal to this entire thing, del phi at some point dot a by mod a. So 2i plus 2lj minus 4k dot a is how much? I minus j plus 2k divided by mod a, root over 1 plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 4. What you will get? Dot product 2 minus 12 minus 8 by root over 6. Okay, so upon solving I am getting it as minus 3 root 6. Minus 3 root 6. Okay, that is the thing. We will stop here. Tomorrow we will solve few more problems in our next lecture.